Welcome to this new adventure where you'll learn how to snorkel like a pro. Snorkeling is an exciting water sport that allows you to explore the beautiful underwater world. But before you dive in, let's understand the basics first. First off, let's talk about the gear. A snorkel mask, snorkel, and a pair of fins are all the equipment you need. Make sure the mask fits snugly, the snorkel doesn't leak, and the fins are comfortable. Remember, comfort is key. Now, onto the snorkeling technique. The key to successful snorkeling is relaxed and controlled breathing. Breathe slowly and deeply through your snorkel, and always keep your face down. Panic is a big no-no in snorkeling. Next, it's time for some snorkel etiquette. It's important to respect the marine life and their habitat. Never touch, chase, or feed any underwater creatures. And always avoid standing on corals, they are living organisms too. Now, let's discuss safety. Always snorkel with a buddy, never alone. Keep an eye on each other and stay within a close distance. And remember, don't venture too far from the shore or the boat. Training before snorkeling is also essential. Practice your gear setup, breathing, and swimming techniques in a controlled environment like a swimming pool. This will build your confidence and prepare you for the ocean. Snorkeling is not just about swimming on the surface, it's about diving down too. When you feel ready, dive down for a closer look at the sea life. But always remember the golden rule, never hold your breath. The ocean currents can be tricky. Always be aware of the current direction and never fight against it. Instead, swim diagonally across it. Safety should always be your priority in any water sport. Don't forget about the sun. Snorkeling means a lot of time spent in the sun. Always wear a rash guard or a wetsuit, and don't forget to apply waterproof sunscreen on the exposed parts of your body. When you're out there, remember to relax and enjoy the experience. Snorkeling is about appreciating the beauty of the underwater world. Take it slow, stay calm, and let nature surprise you with its wonders. Finally, always remember the snorkeler's motto, take only pictures, leave only bubbles. Snorkeling is about exploration and conservation. By respecting the marine life and their habitat, we can ensure they'll be there for future generations to enjoy. In summary, snorkeling is an amazing sport that opens a door to an underwater paradise. With the right gear, technique, and safety measures, you can snorkel like a pro. So, grab your snorkel and fins, and dive into the adventure of a lifetime. Happy snorkeling!